Today in maths, you will need an egg box. Now, your egg box might have 12 slots in it, so if you can cut that so it's only got 10 slots, because we're going to use this today to help us with our pairs to 10. Now, we used the song yesterday, and hopefully you enjoyed singing that song yesterday to help you try and remember what two numbers go together to make 10. Now, to reinforce this, we today are going to use our egg box. And I've got my cubes. Now you might have some coloured eggs, you might have some coloured balls, anything else that you might have at home where you've got two colours. Now I've got 10 orange and 10 black. And I've also got to help me with my work today, some paper, and I've got my two coloured pens to go with the two coloured cubes that I've got. So, just like our song yesterday, we were able to sing what goes together to make 10. So you hopefully might remember that 1 and 9 make 10. Well done. Now, using our cubes, hopefully you might be able to subitize, and remember that means when you just can see how many there are rather than counting. So I'm going to start off with our maths today, and I'm going to do a couple of examples, and then I'd like you to have a go at doing this yourself with your adult. But we should all be able to do this ourselves, and we should all be able to write the number sentence as well. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2. I'm going to put 2 cubes in my egg box. So if I think back to the song, 2 and something, that makes 10. So if I can't remember, I might have a little look at my egg box. Now it's just like our tens frame that we've been learning at school as well. Now if you remember from our tens frame, we have 5 at the top and we have 5 at the bottom. 5 add 5 makes 10. But I know that there's not 5 at the top because there's already one black there and there's another black here. So I'm going to quickly subitize and know that I've got 4 here. If I've got 4 here and it's the same at the bottom, I must have 4 at the bottom as well. 4 add 4 is 8. Now to double check, I'm going to put my cubes in, and as I do that, I'm going to count. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hopefully you can clearly see the two colours showing us the two numbers that pair up to make 10. So I'm going to use this to help me write my number sentence. So I'm going to start with my black. Now can you quickly tell me how many blacks have I got? Hopefully you didn't have to count that and that was just quick subitizing. Super, we have 2. 2 add, now remember our symbols because we are adding. 2 add, how many orange have I got? What was that number? Can you remember in our pairs song? 2 and 8. Well done. Make your 8. 2 add 8. What's the next symbol we need in our number sentence? Equals. Fantastic. Equals. What does it equal? 2 add 8 equals. Good. Well done. It equals 10. Fantastic. Right. We're going to do another one. Mrs Lowen's going to tip these out as quickly as that, and we're going to do another one. Now, this time I think I might put 4 orange in. Now I've put it this way this time. I've got 4 orange, so I'm going to write that as already as my number sentence. So I've got 4. What's that next symbol we need? Add something. Right, what is that something? Now, can you remember we spoke about how many are at the bottom? Can you quickly subitize how many are missing? Or think back to our song yesterday. 4 and what? That makes 10. Well done if you said 6. Now let's double check as we count and put them in. So I'm going to finish this row off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done if you said 4 and 6. So let's finish this number sentence off. 4 and 6 equals 10. Excellent. Let's try one more and then you're going to have a go at doing this yourself. And I can't wait to see your number sentences written down. Maybe your adult might be able to do a little video of you whilst you're doing it. So this time, I think I'm going to start off with, or see if you can work it out for me. What's my number sentence going to be? Tell your grown-up that you're sat with. Now, hopefully you can see what's missing. And if you use that song to help you, you know your pairs that make 10, you can see that there's only how many missing? There's 1 missing. So, how many does that mean I've got already in there? Well done. I've got 9. 9. Now, if you do need to check, you can quickly count, but you could quickly count by remembering there's 5 at the top, and then you continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, easy peasy. 9 add what? Equals 10. 9 add 1. Well done. 9 add 1 equals 10. Fantastic. Oh, Mrs Lowen just needs to put in her orange cube so she knows. And I can see now in my egg box on my tens frame, my makeshift tens frame, that I've got 9 black cubes and 1 orange cube. And altogether, this makes 10. Brilliant. Have a little go yourself now and see if you can write down all the number pairs that make 10 using your egg box to help you. Off you go.